Welcome to EDU World Space.
Well, given that r is equal to 60 meter, right, and v is equal to 20 meter per second, and we have v dot, which is equal to tangential acceleration. Tangential acceleration
Here's
is
a clean
equal
and
to
professionally
3
formatted
meter per
presentation
second
of the
square,
calculation shown in the image.
and the speed of the truck
Application of the work energy theorem, wet. From
speed
the
of
work
the truck
energy theorem, the force F is given
and
by
the
F
normal
equals frac
acceleration are
text
related
KE,
is,
where
so
KE
normal
equals kinetic
acceleration is equal
energy,
to v squared
S
divided by
stopping
r.
distance. And I'm given for
So
object A,
400
FA equals frac
divided
100,000,
by
0.10.
60,
For object B, FB
which
equals
is
frac 225, 1500 equals
6.67
0.15 text space.
meter per second
And
square.
force ratio frac
Now,
FA,
radial component of
FB
acceleration
equals
is
frac 0.10, 0.15
AR,
equals
which is
frac
equal
2
to
normal
minus
results.
AN.
I'm a box frac FA,
So
FB. Would you
we
like
have
a
minus
PDF version of this
6.67
explanation?
meter per second square. And transverse component of the acceleration is A theta, which is equal to tangential acceleration. And tangential acceleration is equal to 3 meter per second square.